R.S. Agrawal, chapter Polynomial, exercise 2C, question number 19. In question number 19, write the zeros of the quadratic polynomial fx equals to 6x square minus 3. In this problem, we have to find the zeros of given polynomial. So, firstly, we will write it this polynomial equals to 0. So, from here, 6x square will be equals to 3. So from here x square will be equals to 3 upon 6 2 times. So x square will be equals to 1 upon 2. From here x will be equals to under root 1 upon 2 plus minus. So from here x will be plus minus 1 upon root 2. So two values of zeros will be x equals to plus 1 upon root 2 and second zeros will be minus 1 upon root 2. These are our two zeros of given polynomial fx. R.S. Agrawal, chapter Polynomial, exercise 2C, question number 20. In question number 20, he is asking to write the zeros of quadratic polynomial fx equals to 4 root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. So, in this problem, we will find the zeros of this given quadratic polynomial by middle term splitting method. So, we have given that polynomial is 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. In this problem, our coefficient of x square is 4 root 3 and constant term is 2 root 3. So, when we multiply 4 root 3 to 2 root 3, this will multiply 4 root 3 into 2 root 3, it will give 8 into 3, that is 24. So we have to find factor of 24 such that their difference is 5. So 8 and 3. So 4 root 3 x square plus 8 minus 3 x minus 2 root 3 will be equals to 0. So 4 root 3 x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3 will be equals to 0. From first to term, 4x is common. So we will get root 3x plus 2. From last two term, we will take root 3 common because we write 3 as root 3 into root 3. So when we take minus root 3 common, here we will get root 3x plus 2 equals to 0. So our factor will be 4x minus root 3 and root 3x plus 2. So when 4x minus root 3 is equals to 0, so 4x will be equals to root 3. So x will be equals to root 3 upon 4. This is our first 0. When root 3x plus 2 equals to 0, so root 3x will be equals to minus 2. So x will be equals to minus 2 upon root 3. This is our second 0. R.S. Agrawal, chapter Polynomial, exercise 2C, Question number 21. In question number 21, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial fx equals to x square minus 5x plus k such that alpha minus beta equals to 1, find the value of k. So in this problem, we have given a polynomial x square minus 5x plus k, and zeros of this polynomial is alpha comma beta, and we have given that alpha minus beta is 1, and we have to find the value of k. So from in this quadratic polynomial, if zeros are alpha and beta, so sum of zeros will be equals to alpha plus beta, that is equals to minus b upon a. We know that. And here b is coefficient of x, that is minus 5, and a is coefficient of x, that is x square, that is 1, equals to alpha plus beta. So from here alpha plus beta will be equals to 5. This is our equation first, and this is our equation second. Now alpha minus beta equals to 1. This is our equation first. From here, on adding these two equations, beta will be cancelled out. 2 alpha will be equals to 6. So from here, alpha will be equals to 3. If alpha is 3, then beta will be equals to 2. This is our value of alpha, and this is beta. Now in this given polynomial, product of zeros will be equals to alpha into beta, that is equals to c upon a. So here c, that is constant term, that is k, and a is 1, and alpha is 3 and beta is 2. So from here k will be equals to 6. This is our answer.